Hello everyone, today I have another review of the knife replica. This time is CR Reef, model Sebenza. The knife comes with a brown leather pocket slip. Total length is 21 centimeters, blade length is 9 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.4 millimeters. The steel of the knife is D2 or 9CR 18 MOV, but the blade markings are S35 VN, tempered to 59 HRC, flat grind, stone wash finish. The inscription on the blade S35 VN. Opening with a double-sided blue anodized thumb stud. Frame lock. The handle is made of titanium with the matte dark grey color. The inscriptions CR and Idaho made. The pocket clip is also made of titanium. The paracord, which is included in the set, is threaded behind, not through the sleeve, but in such a way that a closed knife will not cut it. In summary, here is no any handle scales, but the knife is very well thanks to these cuts and profiling. A really well-made knife, very good mechanics, ball bearings, nothing jams, everything works smoothly and flawlessly. There is nothing to complain about. That's all this review, thanks for watching.